Hello everyone, I am Prabjot Kaur and you're watching Filmy Beat. The dimpled singer Neha Kakkar, who has also been termed as a selfie queen, was fed up of selfies when she was asked to perform on stage forcibly, beside the fact that she wasn't feeling well. Well, Neha was supposed to perform at a pre-wedding function, which was a bluff. The organizer lied to her it was a wedding event. And when she found out that it was a full-fledged wedding, she felt cheated. She had to perform because she was already booked for it, so she went on stage, gave a 16 minutes performance and got off the stage because she wasn't feeling well. The organizers warned her that she couldn't move from that event till she completes the performance as per the stipulated time, beside the fact that she wasn't well. She went to the stage, told the people that she wasn't feeling well and won't be able to perform more, but even the wedding guest kept clicking selfies with her. She was again forced to go on stage, sadly couldn't take it anymore and broke down while performing. Speaking up on social media, she wrote her huge message on her Facebook profile. She said, "It is a sad thing when you're a celebrity, people don't take you as a human being. For them, you're just a puppet." Was performing for a wedding today. Though we always say no to wedding day gigs, we do pre-weddings. So today, the event company fooled us by saying it's a pre-wedding gig. When I landed, they told us it's the pre-wedding day only. So anyway, I had to perform since we had already promised. After being unwell, I performed for 60 minutes and gave my 100%. After 60 minutes, I couldn't perform more and came down. Told the organizer that I'm not feeling well, I have to leave. They said you cannot move from here until you perform more. I told those people I'm sorry I won't be able to perform more. I'm not in a condition to perform. But they all kept on clicking the pictures with me even after knowing the fact that I am not well. And I had to go on stage again and then I broke down on stage itself. Couldn't control my tears, regretted being a celebrity for a second today. I know whatever I am today because it's of you guys, but don't I deserve a break when I'm not well? Well, this was a huge message written by Neha Kakkar on her Facebook profile. That's all in this video. If you've liked it, please hit like, comment and share. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Thanks for watching.